What I'm doing now, part 2, is I'm taking the carburetor back off the Honda, throwing it on that little 6-horse over there, and I'm gonna try to get running because I think this engine is shot. I mean, I paid $70 for it. It has some good parts, but I mean, no compression whatsoever. I mean, it was always easy to pull, but I'm talking now, there's like nothing. This is what I'm comparing it to. This has tons more. So, probably replace some of the Honda parts in there on here and make a bulletproof motor if I can. Like the carburetor from this is staying on this though, but probably take the pull cord of the Honda. Probably take the casing, the gas tank, probably. Definitely muffler. Muffler on that one's much better. But just the small stuff and swap it over. So the music in this video is not mine. It's from 99.7 The Blitz. None of the music in here is mine. So no copyright for me. All copyright to them. Can't get me on it. So can't touch this. Still not mine. I don't think this gasket's in too good a condition here. I mean, it's just falling apart. So I'm gonna try to get one off the Honda. Should be one, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah. Don't rip. Please don't rip. Don't rip. No. It's gonna rip. I know it. Why do they always gotta use paper? That ripped. Okay. Plastic. Gotta find plastic and a big sheet of it. Big sheet of plastic. Either way, I don't really like this song anyway, so if anyone gets triggered over it, I don't blame you. I know it's worried about that good of a fit, man. I mean, I'm flooding the engine basically anyway, so a little bit of air extra leaks in, it's gonna help it probably. More air because I'm dumping a lot more fuel. Should equal like crazy amounts. So I've taken them off the gas tank. I'm starting to remove the exterior of the governor. I'll probably not go as far as take off the inside clip. I don't think it really does much power-wise, but I'm gonna try to figure out. Oh, here's why the kill switch doesn't work. It's not even hooked up. I'm gonna try to fix the kill switch on it, stuff like that. I'm gonna basically build this motor externally, and then probably work on the inside a little after that. But I'm just gonna get like some of the main stuff done. And that's what it says. Time to see why the torque converter is so bad acting. I think that explains it. And I'm pretty sure that's what's going inside of that, not the outside, but rust and all this stuff. It's supposed to slide freely. Come on. Alright, this whole thing's like stuck on there. Probably got this thing off with a bunch of pounding, but I mean, kind of fits now, but I get all this stuff off, clean it, and then try to put it back on. I need to pause that these supposed to have springs on them though. Unless I buy some new springs, it shouldn't be that expensive. And I'm trying to figure out why this is on the outside. Thank you. Alright, so when you're obviously setting up this, you want to make sure, if you ever do this, when you take out the camshaft, which is this thing right here, just pushes the valves in, which allows the engine to run basically. So when you line it up, you want to make sure those two gears are perfectly aligned. Say if it's way over here, it's not going to run. Those are timing marks for the manufacturer puts them there. So if you ever do take apart the engine, you line this up, and your engine will run better. Because it kind of will run without it. It'll be losing tons of power, and it'll be like, come on, come on, come on. You know what I mean? When it won't run. Alright, so I got the governor out, which is right in there. Still see a little part of it. I'm gonna leave that though. But. So now we gotta find a gasket for this, which is not gonna be fun, and figure out how to clean all this crap off, because this stuff does not like to come off at all. And I can sit here and freaking scrape at this. Yeah. Get the oil pressure sensor, which will allow. I think it's actually kind of rusty something on there, but it seems pretty fine for the most part. This is basically how inside the engine works if you've never seen it. Ugh, compression right there. None of these are my songs, so you cannot copyright me, YouTube. Yeah, I'm looking at you. I have no clue what this thing is for. Maybe a fuse? I don't know. It's not needed though, because yeah. None of the stuff on here really works. This should be over here connected to that. So, electronics on this thing are pretty bad. So I'm gonna make my own. And basically try to make a performance motor out of a copy stock motor. Crap, this is the Comet. Comet is like $600 for this whole set. And I got one. Are you kidding me? I cleaned this stupid orange paint off it, and that's what I found. Holy crap. No wonder this thing's actually kind of holding up. I mean, wow. Even the bushing's holding up. Holy crap, I can't believe I got a Comet. It's looking good. Now once it's all painted up looking black, it looks real nice against a go-kart. Then I gotta get this old Honda off and replace it with the Honda clone. This stuff's clear or not. It swears on white, but it dries clear, I guess? It said it has extreme color, whatever, bring back. Let's see if it actually does. This is a flat black I painted on. Hope see you all tomorrow, so. This is the last one today. A little bit late. It's getting a little bit late, so I'm gonna probably head back up to the house, do crap like that, and yeah. Okay, so the engine I'm putting on is not as good as the engine's already on it. Let me explain why. This engine, crap in the intake. This engine's a clone of this engine, but this engine is basically shot. It has a spark plug all the way tight down there. No compression. Sounds like it does a little bit, but it doesn't, trust me. I've already tried to start this thing. Oh, gas in the intake, nothing happens. Yeah, I don't. Ooh, my shoe squeaks. But this engine should run a lot better. So basically, it sounds like this engine sounds just like that without a spark plug. So, plus you can put your finger in it and pull. You can feel. Oh wow, listen to that.